Tidy day in the forest. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, the animals decided to have a tidy day. In the first light of morning, a bright-eyed squirrel started by sorting acorns into little piles. One for now, one for later, she chirped, happily, cleaning up the clutter around her oak tree home. Nearby, a gentle deer was tidying up fallen twigs. He carefully arranged them into neat stacks. "This will make it safer for little hooves to trot," he mumbled, thinking of his fawns. As the sun climbed higher, a cheerful rabbit hopped along, picking up litter. She stuffed old leaves and berry wrappers into a hollow log. "Keep the ground clean, keep the home serene," she sung, her nose twitching with pride. In a cool, shady spot, a wise old owl wiped down dusty leaves, making the trees sparkle. "A clean forest is a wise forest," he hooted from his branch, his eyes twinkling. As dusk fell, a fox gathered everyone together. They looked around at their beautiful, tidy forest. "When we all help," the fox said, "our forest stays magical and bright." And so, the forest not only remained a lovely place, but also a responsible home for all its creatures. The end.